Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories here in Margate, Florida, and today we're going to talk about the Pace Edwards UltraGroove by Leer. So come over here and let's take a good look at what we've done here. This Pace Edwards by Leer we just installed on a Toyota Tacoma latest model. Now, first thing before I get into the operation of it, I want you to take a really good look. This is their all-metal version, and it's a very nice low-profile cover. As a rolling cover, it does sit very clean. If you look how nice it matches the bed caps, I think this has a terrific look. Now, before we get into opening up and how it works, I want you to take a good look here and see this right here. That is your T-slot. This cover is designed, if you ever want to put racks on it, you can. Basically, you have a T-slot, you can put a low rack or high rack, it goes right into this groove. This is designed for the Thule racks, Yakima, and Rhino. So we have Rhino racks, sorry. So it's designed for all the major racks because it's a standard size. Now let's get into how it works. Now, if you notice right here before we get going, there's no lock in here. That's right, it has no lock. How do you open it? Well, you reach underneath here, and there's a little thing you just kind of turn. Now I'm going to hold this here, so, and that locks, and that opens it right up for you. Now, one thing you'll notice, it does still give you space underneath the canister. Now, this cover does have, besides one of the smaller canisters, it does have not two, but 4 drainage tubes. If you notice, there's 2 up front and 2 in the rear here. So any water gets into the groove here, it has multiple places to release the water. Now, this also, as you can see, attaches to your cargo management system. Now, this does let you still keep your tie downs, because a lot of times when these covers go on there, these have to come off. Not with the Leer Pace Edwards UltraGroove. You get to keep those, which is really quite nice. Now, another nice feature is it does have the little strap here. Now, some rolling covers either open or close. They don't have any in between. This one, you have spots where you can have it partially open. You have a little click there. As you can see, it stops in different spots. So you can have it open, you can have it, there we go. Now, I'll see if you can over here. It's got a very nice seal right here. I don't know if you can see that really good. So when you close this up, this is going to do a good job for water. Now, speaking of water, this is one of the better covers for water, but it's not a submarine, so it's not waterproof. It's water resistant. I would say from my experiences, is about water resistant of 98 out of 100. So if you have a high pressure car wash or a really bad rainstorm, you might see a little water. But generally, because of the rails, and if you look at the rails here, they do a wonderful job. It's catching and sealing everything around here. And of course, you got a nice seal here as well. And with the 4 drainage tubes inside, if any water does get in, it's going to get it out really nice. Now, this does have a 3-year manufacturer warranty. And of course, if we do the installation for you, you're going to get the C&H labor guarantee for 1 year. That covers basically if anything goes wrong with it, they'll give you the parts. We'll take care of the labor for you. Now, you say, you know what, Chris, I love that cover. I want that cover. That thing would look great on my Toyota. Well, there'll be our website at the bottom of the video, so you can go right to our website and order it. If you want the personal attention, you can call the store. There's a phone number there. You can ask for Dave, John, or myself, Chris. We'll be glad to walk you through it and tell you everything you need to know, and we can ship this anywhere in the country. And most of the time, this will be free shipping. So, not unless you live in Hawaii or some other place, it might be a little bit more, but if you live somewhere else, you're probably not going to pay for shipping. So again, this is the UltraGroove by Pace Edwards, and of course now Leer owns Pace Edwards, so it's really considered a Leer product. But all in all, it's a great product. I do like the way it looks. I'm going to go ahead and close this tailgate again. And I'm very happy the fit and finish of this product. Now, as you know, we like to tell you the pros and cons of everything. I'm going to tell you, I already told you the good stuff. Now I'm going to tell you some of the bad stuff. This is not the easiest cover to install. I'm sorry, Leer, it's a pain in the rear. But, you know, if you get this and you're having some problems, if you bought it from us, I'll be glad to walk you through and tell you what you need to do. The directions aren't too bad, but it's a little bit more work than a standard rolling cover. So keep that in mind. And, you know, right now, because there is an aluminum shortage, this one might be a little bit of a longer wait. We actually had to get this one from, I think, our California warehouse all the way to Florida. It took me about a week to get it, which is a little longer than most times, but we still got it. The customer's happy. We're happy. So all in all, it comes out nice. So again, I like to give you the pros and cons of everything here. Sometimes the manufacturer probably is not happy that I tell you, because according to their video, oh, it's super easy to put in. It's not. It's a little bit of a pain. But if you buy it from us, we'll walk you through it. Again, this is Chris doing a review of the Pace Edwards UltraGroove by Leer. Thank you.